Pull the tube. Pull the tube out. Take the tube out. You want to get it out of there. Pull the whole tube out. Okay, now we're going to get a pump and we're going to inflate the tube to see where the air is coming out from. Okay, go get a pump. No, you don't take that. That's already a patch. Pump. Go see if there's a pump nobody's using. If not, we'll wait our turn. Yeah. You tell me. Where does it fit? Yeah, to lock it in place. Lock. There you go. Now start pumping a little. Fill it up. You step on the pump. Step on the pump. Yeah, we're all gonna do it. Okay, now look through. See if you can find where the hole is with your. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Near you, near your hand, near your face. See if you can find where the hole is.
I found it.
No, that's not a hole. That's a patch.